celebration for students as we near finals week, and it's time for them to relieve stress with our inflatables and zip line, and have food with the food trucks, and just kind of interact and celebrate the end of the year. It's so important to have this event because it's a time for us to kind of relieve all the stress that we've had this year.
It's a stress reliever right now because I know I would be inside studying, and there's plenty of time for that over the weekend, so this is nice to just get my mind off everything. I like the zip line too, that was surprising.
It was just like so much adrenaline. It was really nice to just do that and just not think about anything else.
We have a knockout inflatable, and then a free fall inflatable as well for students just to get up to the top and jump off. We have 3 food trucks. We have over 31 vendors that come today and 141 organizations.
What is it? So we have our April Craze booth. We're doing a puppy kissing booth. So what we do, we're charging everyone $1 to hang out with our dogs or give them puppy kisses. And all the proceeds are going to a local kid that's actually fundraising for his own service dog.
It's pretty crazy, I really like that. It was a lot of fun, I kept falling though. It's really great to get out here and see everyone and have a lot of fun before finals next week.
We have all of our organizations here so students can kind of walk around and see new organizations that we may have, because we have new organizations all the time, so they can get involved into anything that they would like.
This year was really nice that it was nice weather and, you know, just all the music, all these events out here, everything really makes it flow.